How to install the IVO Deep Regressed Downlight from Gotham Lighting. Before we begin, review the installation manual for a complete list of safety instructions. Choose from 3 different installation options, each providing a similar installation experience. First, insert the mounting bars into the mounting brackets on each side of the fixture. The universal mounting brackets can also accept various mounting hardware for ultimate installation flexibility. We recommend using an adjustable hole saw for a precise cutout when cutting the ceiling opening. Position the mounting pan in the cutout and secure the mounting bars to the T-bar. Mounting bars can be locked into place horizontally by using channel locks. For vertical adjustments, loosen the wing nuts and adjust the mounting pan to the desired position. Note that there are multiple knockouts to accommodate a wide range of conduits in 1/2" and 3/4" size. Then remove any knockout on the junction box to begin feeding power to the fixture. Next, open the junction box by releasing the door spring. Then, pull the supply wires into the junction box and connect the supply wires together, and securely close the junction box door. Next, insert the driver assembly through the frame. Insert the tab on the driver assembly into the slot in the junction box plate. Then, secure the driver assembly in place by pressing against the spring lock and rotating the driver until it snaps into place. With the LED module hanging through the aperture, hold the module in one hand. With the other hand, align the notches in the trim. Then rotate the trim clockwise to lock it in place. Now compress the retention springs inwards while inserting the trim into the aperture. If you are installing into a thicker ceiling substrate, then the module will need to be adjusted accordingly by using an accessory adapter. First, remove the spring bracket from the heatsink by removing the 2 T20 Torx screws. Place the adapter on the heatsink. Next, slide the spring bracket onto the accessory adapter from the top and fasten it with the screws. For taller heatsinks, remove the spring bracket from the heatsink and reposition it vertically per the appropriate position defined in the installation guide. For easy serviceability, remove the LED module by gripping the trim and slowly pulling it down until the springs clear the aperture. Remove the driver assembly from the junction box. Then remove the 2 Phillips head screws from the cover plate and expose the wiring compartment. Next, disconnect the LED module leads from the ports and remove the conduit from the strain relief feature. Then replace the LED module. To replace the driver, loosen the nuts. Then remove the component from the back of the junction box plate. Secure the new driver by tightening the nuts. Engage the locking tabs and tighten the Phillips head screws on the cover plate. Nlight and DMX require control connections to be made by the installer. To replace the optic, remove the trim from the LED module. Then unlock the optic assembly by twisting the optic to the left. Next, align the locking features on the back side of the optic assembly to the recesses in the twist lock component. Then twist the optic assembly to the right until it is fully seated in the LED module. Finally, install the trim, compress the retention springs, and insert the trim into the aperture. To learn more about IVO Deep Regressed Downlights, visit gothamlighting.acuitybrands.com.